Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the mesmerizing style journey of the Pooja Hegde. From her early days in the industry to her latest red carpet appearances, Pooja has consistently dazzled us with her fashion choices. Let's take a closer look. Pooja Hegde's initial days in the industry showcased her versatile style. From chic casual wear to elegant traditional attire, she effortlessly balanced comfort and glamour. As her career soared, so did her red carpet appearances. She embraced bold silhouettes and experimented with vibrant colors, making heads turn at major events. Beyond the glitz and glamour, the actress has proven she's a street-style maven. Her off-duty looks are chic, comfortable, and always on trend. From athleisure to casual denim, she effortlessly pulls off every look. What sets Pooja apart is her willingness to take fashion risks. Whether it's a unique hairstyle or an unconventional outfit choice, she fearlessly explores new trends, setting trends herself. Her casual wardrobe is a lesson in laid-back sophistication. Whether spotted at airports or grabbing coffee, she effortlessly rocks stylish yet comfortable ensembles. It's evident that casual for her doesn't mean compromising on style. As Pooja made her mark internationally, her fashion choices followed suit. Her appearances at global events showcased her ability to seamlessly blend Indian aesthetics with international trends. She truly embodies a global fashion icon. Her commitment to a healthy lifestyle extends to her workout wardrobe. From vibrant activewear to classic gym attire, she proves that fitness and fashion can go hand in hand. Pooja Hegde's influence extends to collaborations with renowned fashion brands. Her association with designers and fashion houses has given us some unforgettable red carpet moments, solidifying her status as a style trendsetter. Her accessories choices, for whether it's statement earrings, bold handbags, or trendy sunglasses, she knows how to elevate her outfits with the perfect accessories. Her makeup game is as strong as her fashion choices. From bold lips to subtle, dewy looks, she collaborates seamlessly with makeup artists to complement her outfits. Her red carpet appearances are a testament to her mastery of the perfect makeup balance. A true fashionista isn't complete without signature hairstyles. Pooja's tresses have undergone incredible transformations, from sleek bobs to voluminous curls. Her experimentation with different hairstyles showcases her versatility and adds an extra layer of glamour to her overall look. In an era of growing consciousness, the actress has made a notable foray into sustainable fashion. Her choices often include eco-friendly brands and outfits that promote ethical fashion. Her collaborations extend beyond the red carpet. From capsule collections to endorsing fashion brands, she actively participates in the creative process. Her influence in the fashion industry is not only seen but also felt. Pooja's commitment to social causes is evident in her fashion philanthropy. Whether it's supporting local artisans or promoting inclusive fashion, she uses her influence to make a positive impact, proving that fashion can be a force for good. Her fashion repertoire includes a discerning selection of colors and patterns. From vibrant hues that complement her personality to timeless patterns that add a touch of elegance, her choices reveal a keen understanding of what works best for her. Stepping into the world of haute couture, the actress has collaborated with esteemed designers to create bespoke masterpieces. Her couture choices often blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics, making her a vision of grace on the red carpet. Every style icon draws inspiration from somewhere. Pooja's fashion choices reflect a diverse array of influences, from classic Bollywood divas to global fashion trends. Her ability to merge inspiration with her unique flair sets her apart in the ever-evolving world of fashion. What sets Pooja apart is her ability to turn a potential fashion faux pas into a fabulous statement. Whether it's experimenting with unconventional silhouettes or reviving retro trends, she fearlessly embraces the unexpected, turning heads and sparking trends. Beyond the garments, her ultimate fashion accessory is her confidence. Her poised demeanor on the runway and in interviews exudes a self-assured charm, making her an embodiment of the belief that true style stems from confidence and authenticity. Pooja's globetrotting lifestyle is not just an adventure. It's a fashion statement. Her travel diaries showcase an eclectic mix of resort wear, casual chic, and practical yet stylish airport looks, proving that fashion knows no borders. From ethereal ball gowns to sultry evening dresses, her evolution in choosing evening wear is a saga of sophistication. Each gown tells a story, be it at film festivals, award ceremonies, or exclusive events, solidifying her status as a red carpet queen. Pooja Hegde seamlessly transitions through seasons with her wardrobe. Her summer style exudes breezy elegance, while winter brings out the richness of her wardrobe with luxe fabrics and statement codes. She's a year-round inspiration. Her love for vintage fashion is evident in her occasional nods to retro styles. Whether it's the glamour of the 50s or the free-spirited 70s, she effortlessly incorporates vintage elements into her modern looks, creating a fusion that resonates with fashion enthusiasts. Pooja's mastery of monochrome outfits is a lesson in minimalistic elegance. Her monochromatic ensembles, whether in bold colors or classic neutrals, showcase the power of simplicity and sophistication in the world of high fashion. The actress goes beyond trends by championing ethical fashion. Her wardrobe often features sustainable fabrics, cruelty-free accessories, and outfits that promote ethical practices. Her commitment to responsible fashion sets a powerful example for the industry. Pooja effortlessly merges high-end couture with high-street fashion, creating a unique fusion that resonates with a broad audience. Her ability to mix luxury pieces with accessible fashion showcases a down-to-earth approach to style. Streetwear takes a glamorous turn in her fashion playbook. Whether spotted in oversized jackets, trendy sneakers, or statement street-style accessories, she effortlessly blends comfort with a dash of urban chic. Pooja's wardrobe is a canvas for experimental silhouettes. From asymmetrical cuts to avant-garde designs, she fearlessly embraces unconventional shapes, pushing the boundaries of traditional fashion and setting new standards. Her fashion choices often reflect a beautiful fusion of cultures. Whether it's incorporating traditional Indian elements into contemporary outfits or embracing global trends with a touch of cultural flair, she celebrates diversity through fashion. Pooja Hegde's wardrobe is adorned with handcrafted details that elevate her outfits to wearable art. Intricate embroidery, hand-painted designs, and artisanal embellishments contribute to the unique charm of her ensembles, showcasing a celebration of craftsmanship. Her commitment to sustainability extends to her choice of footwear. She's often spotted in eco-friendly and cruelty-free shoe options, proving that every element of her ensemble aligns with her values of conscious and compassionate fashion. A true fashionista pays attention to every detail, including the olfactory experience. Her choice of signature fragrances adds a personal touch to her style, leaving a lasting impression that extends beyond the visual. Pooja's creative spirit shines through her occasional DIY fashion statements. From customized denim jackets to personally tailored pieces, she adds a touch of her personality to her outfits, demonstrating that fashion is an ever-evolving form of self-expression. She utilizes her fashion influence to champion social causes. From wearing awareness ribbons to collaborating with brands that support charitable initiatives, she exemplifies the transformative power of fashion as a platform for positive change. Pooja pays homage to iconic fashion moments by incorporating nostalgic elements into her wardrobe. From retro accessories to vintage-inspired silhouettes, her style often reflects a deep appreciation for fashion history. Her take on power dressing is a modern reinterpretation. Sharp tailoring, bold colors, and unexpected twists redefine traditional power suits, making a statement that exudes confidence and sophistication. The actress seamlessly blends technology with fashion. Whether it's incorporating futuristic fabrics or embracing digital fashion trends, she showcases an avant-garde approach that keeps her style on the cutting edge. Pooja's influence extends beyond individual outfits to curated seasonal capsule collections. Her collaboration with designers for limited edition lines showcases a keen curation of fashion that aligns with the essence of each season. The actress often curates theme-based ensembles, turning her appearances into a visual narrative. Whether it's channeling vintage glamour or embracing futuristic aesthetics, her ability to convey a story through clothing is truly remarkable. Delving into the world of accessories, her collection is a testament to her playful side. Whimsical earrings, quirky handbags, and unique headpieces add a touch of whimsy to her outfits, making fashion a delightful experience. Pooja's collaborative efforts with couturiers extend beyond mere partnerships. Her input in the creative process results in couture pieces that seamlessly merge the designer's vision with her personal style, producing one-of-a-kind masterpieces. The mastery of the monochrome extends to her wardrobe, where she effortlessly pulls off head-to-toe monotone looks. The play with shades and textures in these ensembles showcases her keen eye for detail and elevates the simplicity of a single hué. Her creative flair extends to do-it-yourself embellishments. She occasionally adds personal touches to her outfits, whether it's hand-applied sequins or customized embroidery, showcasing a hands-on approach to her fashion expression. Pooja's fashion repertoire includes a fascination with experimental textures. From velvet to silk, leather to lace, her wardrobe showcases a rich tapestry of materials, each carefully chosen to add depth and dimension to her looks. Drawing inspiration from her cultural roots, she seamlessly weaves elements of her heritage into her wardrobe. Traditional fabrics, intricate hand-woven patterns, and indigenous motifs serve as both a personal and cultural statement in her fashion choices. The actress effortlessly transitions between various fashion genres. Whether it's seamlessly moving from casual day wear to glamorous evening gowns, her ability to navigate diverse styles reflects an innate understanding of fashion as a dynamic and ever-evolving art form. Nature often serves as a muse for her fashion choices. Whether it's floral patterns, earthy tones, or outfits that emulate the beauty of the elements, her wardrobe pays homage to the natural world with grace and elegance. Her love for vintage extends beyond occasional tributes. Her wardrobe features timeless vintage revivals, breathing new life into classic styles, and proving that fashion is cyclical, with a well-curated nod to the past. Pooja's wardrobe boasts symbolic statement pieces that go beyond aesthetics. From personalized jewelry to accessories with cultural significance, her choices often carry meaning, turning fashion into a form of personal expression. Blurring the lines between eras, the actress effortlessly fuses modern and vintage accessories. This juxtaposition of contemporary and classic elements adds a unique charm to her outfits, showcasing her ability to create fashion harmony from diverse style influences. Her fashion canvas is a dynamic spectrum of colors. From bold and vibrant hues to muted and sophisticated tones, her adept use of color palettes adds a visual feast to her style journey, allowing each outfit to tell its own chromatic story. Regardless of cultural influences, the actress maintains a consistent thread of style. Pooja extends her fashion influence to eco-friendly initiatives. Supporting sustainable fashion brands, promoting recycled materials, and advocating for environmental consciousness, she makes a stylish statement that goes beyond the clothes she wears. Her fashion narrative extends to dynamic fabric combinations. Her wardrobe showcases a masterful play of textures, seamlessly blending fabrics like silk, velvet, chiffon, and denim, creating visually compelling ensembles that transcend the ordinary. Her style journey often pays homage to different time periods. Whether it's the glamour of the roaring 20s or the free-spirited 60s, her ability to transport elements of these eras into contemporary fashion demonstrates a timeless and eclectic sensibility. Beyond the aesthetics, her wardrobe often tells personalized stories through intricate embroidery. Symbolic motifs and custom-designed embellishments add a layer of narrative depth to her outfits, turning each piece into a wearable work of art. The actress effortlessly navigates through seasonal transitions with her wardrobe. Her style metamorphosis from vibrant summer hues to cozy winter layers showcases a keen understanding of seasonal aesthetics and the art of adapting fashion to climate changes. Pooja's fashion choices oscillate between minimalism and maximalism. Whether she's embracing the simplicity of clean lines or indulging in extravagant details, this duality in her style adds an element of surprise and keeps her fashion narrative intriguing. Her jewelry choices are a study in subtle statements. Delicate pieces with nuanced designs add an understated elegance to her outfits, proving that sometimes, less is more when it comes to making a lasting impression. Pooja effortlessly fuses global fashion trends into her wardrobe. Whether it's the influence of Parisian chic, Tokyo street style, or New York avant-garde, her ability to blend diverse global aesthetics showcases a truly cosmopolitan approach to fashion. Silhouettes become a playground for her style experimentation. From flowy and ethereal to structured and tailored, she masters the art of silhouette play, ensuring that each outfit accentuates her figure while maintaining a touch of mystery. Pooja's wardrobe is not just a collection of clothes, it's a multifunctional arsenal. Pieces that seamlessly transition from day to night, casual to formal, demonstrate her strategic approach to fashion, maximizing versatility without compromising on style. Pooja's style isn't just about the clothes, it's a continuous exploration of the fashion confidence continuum. Her evolving self-assurance reflects in her outfit choices, showcasing that true style is an ever-growing, self-empowering journey. Pooja's couture collaborations extend beyond the ordinary. Her involvement in the design process often includes custom touches, creating couture pieces that are not just off the rack but personal expressions of her style journey. Her fashion choices often tell cultural stories. Whether it's donning traditional attire from different regions of India or incorporating global cultural influences, her wardrobe becomes a canvas for cultural storytelling, fostering an appreciation for diversity. Seamlessly transitioning from day to night is an art mastered by Pooja Hegde. Her wardrobe choices effortlessly adapt to different occasions, proving that with the right selection, an outfit can be versatile enough for any moment. Her commitment to sustainability goes beyond just fashion choices. She embraces wardrobe sustainability practices, such as clothing swaps, upcycling, and mindful consumption, emphasizing the importance of responsible fashion in a world of fast trends. The actress stays at the forefront of fashion innovation. From experimenting with augmented reality fashion shows to embracing technological advancements in fabric design, she showcases a forward-thinking approach that transcends traditional fashion norms. Pooja's wardrobe not only embraces seasonal transitions but also reflects a nuanced understanding of color psychology. From warm, earthy tones in fall to vibrant pastels in spring, her color choices convey a sophisticated understanding of fashion's emotional impact. Her fashion canvas often draws inspiration from art. Whether it's abstract prints, painterly patterns, or outfits reminiscent of famous art movements, her wardrobe becomes a living gallery, showcasing a seamless fusion of fashion and artistic expression. The actress actively engages in sustainable fashion innovation. Her wardrobe features eco-friendly fabrics, experimental sustainable designs, and collaborations with environmentally conscious brands, making a bold statement about the future of fashion. Her fashion choices extend beyond aesthetics, they become a platform for social commentary. From promoting gender equality through wardrobe choices to addressing social issues, she utilizes fashion to amplify her voice and advocate for change. Pooja's beauty choices are not just an afterthought but an integral part of her fashion narrative. Collaborating with makeup artists and hairstylists, she explores transformative looks that complement her outfits, adding an extra layer of artistic expression to her style. Pooja Hegde brings sustainability to the red carpet, showcasing eco-friendly glamour. From gowns made of recycled materials to promoting ethical jewelry, her red carpet moments go beyond mere fashion, making a statement about the importance of responsible choices in the spotlight. The actress utilizes her fashion influence to advocate for social causes. Her wardrobe becomes a canvas for awareness campaigns, shedding light on issues such as environmental conservation, gender equality, and education, turning each outfit into a powerful statement. Embracing the digital era, she engages in virtual fashion collaborations. From participating in virtual runway shows to collaborating with digital fashion designers, she explores the intersection of technology and fashion, pushing the boundaries of the industry. Beyond attire, Pooja ventures into the realm of fragrances. Her signature fragrance line becomes an olfactory extension of her style, allowing enthusiasts to experience a curated blend that mirrors her elegance and sophistication. And there you have it, a glimpse into Pooja Hegde's fashion journey. From her early days to her current status as a style icon, she continues to captivate us with her sartorial choices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.